Flying the DJI Mini 5 Pro is not just about enjoying smooth aerial shots and extended flight times, but also about ensuring the drone remains safe during takeoffs and landings. Here, we will talk about 3 best landing gears.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Flysimple landing gear. The Flysimple landing gear is designed with simplicity and practicality in mind. It raises the Mini 5 Pro by a few centimeters, ensuring the camera and gimbal remain safely above uneven terrain, grass, or dusty surfaces. This landing gear raises the DJI Mini 5 Pro by 25 millimeters, creating a safer distance between the lens and the ground. It provides added stability during landings while protecting the fuselage. Designed for effective protection, it keeps the drone elevated above dirt, sand, grass, and other uneven surfaces, reducing impact and ensuring smoother takeoffs and landings. By safeguarding the body and gimbal camera from potential damage, it enhances overall durability. Made from lightweight 3D printed material, the gear is ultralight and adds virtually no burden, ensuring flight time remains unaffected. By balancing portability with effective protection, the Flysimple landing gear is an excellent accessory for everyday drone users. On number 2, we have Honlyn Water Landing Gear Kit. The Honlyn landing gear extension provides a slightly different approach, focusing on durability and stability. The buoyancy rod provides excellent flotation, enabling the drone to take off and land safely on water. Its tripod design raises the drone by 60 millimeters, protecting the gimbal and aircraft from damage on uneven terrain. Despite this added functionality, the tripod and buoyancy rod together weigh just 40 grams, so they have minimal impact on flight performance. Equipped with elastic straps, the setup is quick to install, easy to remove, and reusable. For safe operation, the buoyancy rod should only be used on calm water, as rough conditions may cause instability or flipping. The outward-facing tripod design ensures that the legs stay out of the camera's field of view, allowing seamless 90 degrees downward shooting for clear and unobstructed footage. On number 3, we have Flysimple floating landing gear. For drone enthusiasts who love to capture footage around lakes, rivers, or coastal areas, the water landing gear allows your DJI Mini 5 Pro to safely take off and land on water, making it possible to capture unique footage over lakes, rivers, or ponds for a more enjoyable flying experience. Beyond water use, it also doubles as standard landing gear, raising the drone by 60 millimeters to improve stability on uneven ground. This added clearance helps prevent collisions with the surface, reducing the risk of damage to the body and gimbal during takeoff and landing. Installation and removal are quick and tool-free, ensuring the drone remains unharmed. Simply attach the landing gear to the Mini 5 Pro, secure the buoyancy rods with the elastic straps, adjust the positioning, and you're ready to fly. So these are some of the best landing gears to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.